Problem 9. Nisa has 3 different types of cards in a game: apple, cherry, and grapes. She chooses 2 cards from a set of 5 cards and swaps their places. Nisa wants to arrange the cards so that all the cards with the same fruit on are next to each other. For which set this is not possible? Let's swap 2 cards and see if we can have same fruit on next to each other. Let's see option A. So if we swap apple to cherries and cherries here, then also this is not possible. So this could be our answer. Let's try other options and see. Option B. So if we swap apple with cherries and cherries to bring in here, we will have 3 apples in a row. So this is possible. So this could not be our answer. Option C. If we swap grapes with cherries and bring cherries here, we will have 2 apples and set of 2 grapes. So this is also possible and could not be our answer. Option D. If we swap apple with cherries and bring cherries here, we will have 3 cherries in a row. So this is possible. That is not our answer. Option E. So if we swap grapes with cherries and bring cherries here, then we will have in a row 2 grapes together and cherries together. So this is also possible and could not be our answer. So it seems like option A is the only one which is not possible. Problem 10. Sophie wants to pick 5 different shapes from 5 different boxes. She can only pick 1 shape from each box. These are the boxes and the boxes contains different shapes. Which shape must she pick from box 4? So let's look into box 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We see that box 3 has only 1 shape, so she can pick 1. No confusion. Since she has already picked circle, she can pick star from box 1. Since she has already picked a star, she can pick a pentagon from box 5. Now she has star, she has circle, and she has a pentagon. Now left is diamond. So from box 4, she picks diamond, which is our answer, option E, diamond. Problem 11. 18 cubes are colored white or gray or black and are arranged as shown below. The figures on the right shows the white and the black part. Which of the following is the gray part? So this is the complete cube we have, and there is a white, gray, and a gray part is shown. So we have to find out which is the gray part. So let's look into each option. So the picture says that we have white part arranged in this way and a black part on the top and a light gray at the bottom. So from the picture we know that there are 2 gray parts in here. So let's see if it has the rightmost 2 gray cubes. So we have here, this is an option, this is option, this is possible, and C does not have, so we eliminate C. D has and E has. Let us move on to other part. So it should be 3 in a row. So we have 3 here, we have 2 in here, this is not possible, we remove this. D has not 3, there is missing, we remove this. So now we have to compare between A, E and A. Now looking to the picture, from the white cube we know there needed to be a cube underneath and the 3 cubes behind. So we see that there are 3 cubes here, but there's supposed to be a cube in here to fill a gap of white. So this could not be our answer. Option E has this, so option E is our answer. Problem 12. In an ice cream shop, there is some money in a drawer. After selling 6 ice creams, there are $70 in the drawer. After selling a total of 16 ice cream, there are $120 in the drawer. How many dollars were there in the drawer at the start? These are our options. Let us get a clean slate to solve this equation. So we know from question that after selling 6 ice cream, he had $70. After selling 16 ice cream, he had $120. So difference between them is 10 ice cream, and difference between them 120 minus 70 gives us $50. So 10 ice cream cost $50. How much is one ice cream cost? So one ice cream cost 50 divided by 10 gives us $5. So when one ice cream cost $5, how much is 6 ice cream cost? So 5 into 6 gives us $30. So 6 ice cream cost us $30. Now when we had 6 ice cream we sold, we had $70. So what's the difference? So 70 minus 30 gives us $40. So the ice cream shop had $40 before they start their business. So our answer is option C, 40. If these videos are helpful to you, subscribing helps me out a lot and ensures I can bring you even more great content. So please subscribe my channel and help me make more videos. See you in the next problem. Problem 13. On a tall building, there are 4 fire escape ladders as shown. The heights of 3 ladders are shown. What is the height of the shortest ladder? These are our options. So we have to find the height of this ladder. We know the height of this ladder is 48, 36 for this ladder. So we can determine the height from here to here. That is 48 minus 36 gives us 12. So now we know this is 12. Now from here, the complete height is 32. This height is 12. We can determine the remaining height. So we have 32 minus 12 gives us 20. So this height is 20 and this is, we know, 12. So our answer is option D, 20. Problem 14. Nora plays with 3 cups on the kitchen table. She takes the cup on the left, flip it over and puts it to the right of the other cups. The picture shows the first move. So she has 3 cups. She takes the leftmost cup, flip it and put it on the rightmost. What do the cups look like after 10 moves? So let us see. First move, we have 2 cups up, 1 down. So the moves look like this: 2 up and 1 down. Second move, she will have 1 up, 2 down, and the third move she has all flipped. So what it means is the third move we will have all flipped down. Next 3 moves she will have all flipped up. Next 3 moves she will have all flipped down. So we got 9 moves in total. Now the one move. So the one move will be 2 down and 1 up. So let's see which one matches this. Option A, no. Option B, yes, there are 2 down and 1 up. This matches. Option C, no. Option D, all flipped up, no. All flipped down, no. So our answer is option B. Problem 15. 2 lighthouses blink at night to steer the boat safely into the harbor in the dark or in the bad weather. One lighthouse flashes every 5 seconds, the other every seconds. How many seconds will elapse between the time the 2 lighthouses blink together and the next time it happens? So let us take a clean slate. So we know from question that 1 lighthouses blink every 5 seconds. So we know the first one we have at 5 seconds, then at 10 seconds, then at 15 seconds, then at 20, 25 seconds, 30, 35, 40, and 45. The second lighthouse blinks every 7 seconds. So that means 7 seconds it will blink. The next it will be 14. It will be 21 next, and 28, and then 35. So this 35 seconds they will blink together. So this is also called highest common factor or greatest common factor. So if we know highest common factor of 7 and 5 is 35. So our answer is 35, which is option D. Problem 16. Eva has 5 stickers shown. These are the stickers. She stuck one of them on each of the 5 squares of this board. So that star is not in square 5. Apple is on square 1 and flower is next to both circle and triangle. On which square did Eva stick flower? These are our options. Let's take a clean slate. We have given spots for 5 stickers. We know that star is not on square 5. So star could be on 1, 2, 3 or 4. Apple is on square 1. So apple is on square 1. So there is no apple here. And flower is next to both circle and star. So flower needs to be here for first case. So that a circle or a triangle could come here. Or flower could be here on spot 4. So that circle can come on spot 3 and triangle can come on this. Now looking at this picture, we know that a star cannot be on 5. What does it mean? That if star is on 3rd position, then there is no chance that flower could be close to circle. So star needs to be on the 2 position. So we cancel 3 and 4. So when it's on 2 position, that means that this arrangement is not possible, star, and this arrangement should be there. So when this arrangement is not possible, this is our correct position. So flower will be at position D, 4. So with this, we wrap up Math Kangaroo 2021 for grade 3 and 4. If you enjoyed this challenge and learned something new, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe for more fun, tricky, and exciting math adventures. See you in part C. Thank you. Bye.